Not that long ago, new Shadcn dropped and I had this poll on my Twitter. The result really one-sided. So the real question is, what should you choose for your Shadcn app today, Radix or Base UI? If you don't know it yet, I'm a big fan of Shadcn. I'm using it on every project. Shadcn is my lifestyle, and I used already Base UI on multiple projects, so I want to share my experience with it with you. If you don't know it yet, in the new Shadcn update, we can choose here between Radix UI and Base UI. And when we create a new project, based on what we choose here, we have different configuration inside of our components.json. So here for my GitHub creature project, you can see the style base and then Lira. So you can see from my components file that I chose here base UI, and for style, I chose this Lira style. So based on that, when we add new Shadcn components, or here, for example, button, and we use pm dlx Shadcn add button, it will use this configuration from the components file. So it will import us a Base UI button with this Lira style. So we can now use Base UI without any problems on new Shadcn applications. It is a little bit harder to update our old existing Shadcn apps based on Radix UI, but update script is coming. Shadcn is working on it, so buckle up. So let's see now why everyone here saying that they would use Base UI instead of Radix UI. I went through all the comments, and the main thing is that Radix is not maintaining it that much like before. Some Radix developers went to Base UI, that's also a big reason. So maintenance of the project is the biggest reason for everyone saying here that they would choose Base UI over Radix UI. And I find it really funny that this is the main reason why people are voting for Base UI, because Shadcn was working perfectly even before with Radix maintained or not. So okay, let's move this one aside and let's see the real difference between the syntax API way of using Base UI versus Radix UI. So this is the main thing. We now have this render equals and then these brackets and what we are rendering inside of our buttons, inside of our components, versus the old way of doing it, and that was the as child. So previously we had this as child, and then inside we would have a label, and now we just have this render. So that is the main thing. That is good. I love this render API thingy, but in the same time, it is a double-edged sword, so it is a problem currently when working with new Shadcn applications. First thing is that AI isn't adapted yet to this way of working with Shadcn. So if you would now generate something through Claude Code or here through Cursor, it would generate the old way with as child. So you have to think about that as well. But that one can be solved easily. We could just put in one README file that is telling to AI that we don't want it to build it in the Radix as child way. We want the new Base UI way. So that is easy to solve. But there is one more big reason, and probably the biggest reason why I am not going to use Base UI yet. And that is the Shadcn ecosystem. There are so many awesome libraries like Shadcn blocks, like Tailarc, like Shadcn Studio, and all those trusted registries that you can see here inside of Shadcn in this directory right here. So here, these are all trusted registries, and all of them, I have 8bitCN right here, and I still don't have Base UI support. Like 90% of all of these libraries right here are based on Radix UI. So if you have a Base UI Shadcn application and you want to import like any block from some library like this, it wouldn't work. So you would need to go and manually change all those things from as child to render, to do everything manually, and you'll end up like wasting your time and energy refactoring some blocks that are meant to be just injected inside of your project and to work automatically from scratch, like so you don't have to think about anything. Even if we go to Shadcn, so here, for example, to dark mode, and inside of the Next.js, we have the mod toggle. So here we can see the mod toggle, it is still using Lucid React, and here you can see that it is using as child. So even this block right here, or component, however we want to call it, this is the mod toggle that we are using to switch from light to dark mode and from dark to light mode. Even this one here in the Shadcn documentation is not using base UI yet, so you don't have an option here to import this one as base UI. You need to copy it from this page right here, and it is going right inside of your code as Radix UI. And this is not hate from me for base UI or neither love for Radix UI. I really don't care which one I'm using, I just want it to work and I don't want the hassle of doing things myself. So I expect to use the pnpm.dlx Shadcn add something command, and I expect that one to work from the first time inside of my application. Whatsoever, I would like here inside of the create project page to see even more libraries. So why stop now at base UI if we have a support to add more libraries? And that's why open source is so powerful, because tomorrow maybe Radix will die, maybe base UI will die, but Shadcn will still exist because we are going to add another UI library right here that we can use as support for Shadcn. Final answer, whether you should choose Radix UI or base UI, in my opinion, it should be Radix. Why? Because base UI is not ready yet for Shadcn. Until we don't have that update script that Shadcn is working on right now, we are not able to turn all our Radix UI Shadcn components to base UI Shadcn components. And if we do it manually, then Shadcn is losing its purpose. So we want to be able to just add components with one command and expect everything to work perfectly. And when we have that update script and the entire ecosystem is working both with Radix and base UI, then we can talk about maintenance and all the things that are behind those two specific libraries and whether we should choose them like based on how maintained they are and things like that. For now, and for the future and forever, the most important thing for Shadcn is that it works.